Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the chassis control module on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll talk about that. Also, we'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, guys, information that can potentially, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. By the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. There is, guys, very limited information about the chassis control module, fuses and relays, but most likely, guys, we'll need to check multiple fuses today that most likely correspond to that. Again, limited information. We're trying our best to provide everything we know here, guys. So make sure to stay until the end. We'll list multiple fuses. Some of those are for BCM, engine computer, and most likely they overlap with the chassis control module as well. We'll show you on that generation Chevy Equinox here. Quick advice from us, guys. 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What do we need to do now here, guys? We need to open the front right door, and when we do that, come to the footwell compartment on the passenger side. On the side of the center console here you have a cover. Open that cover, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. For the chassis control module, guys, we need to start checking multiple fuses. We're talking about fuse number 4, fuse number 6, fuse number 7, fuse number 8, fuse number 16, fuse number 20, fuse number 30, here you go to 34, fuse number 40. Then you open the hood. Under the hood, facing the engine on the right side, right here you see that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. You have a clip here and a clip there that you squish together, pull the cover up. That's the main engine fuse box. Here specifically, guys, we need to check multiple fuses, and we start with fuse number 20 right here. Fuse number 20, 21, next go to 37, 38, 41, 42, right here, 46 will need to be checked right there, guys. We're talking next about fuse number 52, and fuse number 53, which is under the relay right here. Also, guys, you will need to check relay 66, relay 68. Most likely will be these fuses. There is limited information, guys, but you may want to check also the telematics fuses. If you don't know where they're located, the telematics module fuses, guys, we'll have the video on the channel to help you with that too. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you, have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.